In a small village, there lived a boy named Ethan. He had big dreams in his eyes, but very little discipline in his life. He always said the same thing. "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow, he would study. Tomorrow, he would wake up early. Tomorrow, he would work hard. Tomorrow, he would change his life. But slowly, tomorrow became the most dangerous word in his life. People called him lazy. Some said he had no talent. Others believed he was simply not serious about his future. But the truth was different. Ethan was not foolish. He was not weak. And he was not less intelligent than others. His real problem was this. He kept delaying the life he wanted. His books remained closed. His notes stayed unfinished. His time disappeared into useless distractions. Every day he dreamed of success, but every day he walked one step away from it. Slowly, his grades began to fall. Then his confidence began to fall. And after that, his belief in himself also started to fade. At night, he would sometimes sit under the open sky, stare at the stars, and whisper, "Why do I feel stuck? Why can't I change?" But the sky never answered. One day, his father took him to meet an old man who lived on the edge of the village. His name was Mr. Thomas. People said he understood human hearts better than anyone else. Many young boys had gone to him feeling lost, and returned with a new direction in life. Ethan went there without much interest. He thought it would be another lecture about hard work and discipline. But when Mr. Thomas looked at him, he smiled gently and said, "Son, you are not tired. You are scattered." Those words hit Ethan deeply. The old man took him to a small patch of dry land in his garden. Then he handed him a tiny seed and said, "Plant this here." Ethan planted the seed. Then Mr. Thomas gave him a small jug of water and said, "Every morning, water this seed with just one mug of water. But before you do that, complete the most important task of your day. If you do not complete it, do not water the seed." Ethan was confused. He thought, can something this small really change anything? Mr. Thomas looked into his eyes and said, "Life is not destroyed in a single day, and it is not built in a single day either. What you do daily writes your destiny." The next morning, Ethan set an alarm. When it rang, his mind told him, "Sleep more. Start tomorrow. One day won't matter." But then he remembered Mr. Thomas's words. He forced himself to get up. He studied for just 30 minutes. Only 30 minutes. Then he went outside and poured one mug of water onto the soil. Nothing happened. No miracle. No visible result. The land looked exactly the same. But inside Ethan, something small had changed. For the first time in a long while, he had kept a promise to himself. The next day, he did the same. Again 30 minutes of study. Again one mug of water. On the third day, he repeated it. On the fourth day, he felt resistance. On the fifth day, he failed completely. He did not study. And he did not water the seed. That evening, he felt strangely disappointed. The seed had not spoken. But somehow it felt as if his future had gone thirsty. The next morning, he tried again. Then again. And again. Some days were strong. Some days were weak. Some days he won. Some days his old habits won. But one thing had changed. Earlier, every time Ethan failed, he would stop completely. Now, every time he failed, he started again. 10 days later, something tiny appeared in the soil. A small green sprout. Ethan froze. It was so little. So delicate. But alive. He ran to Mr. Thomas and said, "It's growing." The old man smiled and replied, "The seed was alive from the first day, my son. The problem was not the seed. The problem was your patience." That sentence entered Ethan's heart like fire. From that day on, he made a simple rule for himself. He would not try to become perfect. He would try to become better, every day. He started building small habits. He woke up on time. He studied for 30 minutes daily. He spent 10 minutes away from his phone. He sat in silence for 5 minutes every morning. Every night, he wrote down one goal for the next day. That was all. No giant plan. No overnight success. No dramatic transformation. Just small steps. Repeated daily. After 1 month, his mind felt clearer. After 2 months, his studies improved. After 3 months, even his teachers began to notice the change. But the biggest change was not in his marks. The biggest change was this. Ethan had stopped lying to himself. He was no longer making empty promises. He was no longer disappointing himself every day. He had started to trust his own actions. A year passed. The same boy who once delayed everything had now become disciplined. The same boy who wasted his mornings now woke up before others. The same boy who only dreamed of success had started walking toward it. Along with his studies, Ethan began learning online work. He started selling simple handmade products from his village through social media. At first, there were very few orders. Sometimes nobody replied. Sometimes people just viewed his page and moved on. But Ethan did not quit. Because now he understood something powerful. Big success is often built from small efforts repeated for a long time. So he stayed consistent. Every day, a little work. Every day, a little learning. Every day, a little improvement. And then something happened that people often call luck. His page started growing. Orders began increasing. His confidence returned. He started supporting his family. People said, "Ethan's destiny has changed." But only Ethan knew the truth. His destiny had not changed in one big moment. It had started changing on that quiet morning. When he got out of bed, studied for 30 minutes, and watered a seed. One evening, he returned to Mr. Thomas's garden. The tiny seed had now become a healthy, beautiful plant. Ethan looked at it and said softly, "Now I understand, people grow the same way. Through habits." Mr. Thomas smiled and replied, "Yes. People keep searching for motivation, but life is not changed by motivation alone. Life is changed by routine." Ethan's eyes filled with emotion. He had finally understood that success does not always come from a huge opportunity. Sometimes it only asks for one honest effort today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. My friend. This story is not only about Ethan. It is about all of us. Many of us have dreams. Many of us want a better life. But we get trapped in one habit. We keep waiting for the perfect time. Remember this. The perfect time never comes. What comes is only today. Your life does not change because of one big decision. It changes because of the small things you do every day. Read for 10 minutes. Wake up earlier. Spend less time on your phone. Exercise for a short time. Work on your goal for just 20 minutes. Start small. But start now. Because small daily habits slowly change your mindset. Your mindset changes your decisions. And your decisions change your entire life. So plant your seed today. Take your first step today. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Because your future is not built in one giant moment. It is built in the small habits you repeat every single day. Thank you for watching today's story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more stories that inspire the soul. Let wisdom guide your steps, and may peace follow you always.